Hi friends! Today, we're going to draw a super cute desktop computer with some fun decorations. Ready to have some creative fun? Let's start drawing! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, grab your black marker and let's draw a rectangle with rounded corners. This will be our monitor. Great job! Now, inside that rectangle, draw another smaller rectangle. This will be the screen. Awesome! Next, let's add a stand at the bottom of the monitor. Just draw two straight lines going down and connect them with a curve. Perfect! Now, let's draw the keyboard. Draw a rectangle just below the monitor. Inside it, add lots of little squares to represent the keys. Nice work! To make our desktop computer extra cute, let's draw a big heart shape on the monitor screen. Aw, that looks so sweet! Next, let's draw the computer mouse on the right side of the keyboard. It's just an oval shape with 3 buttons on top. Great! Now, let's make our drawing even more fun by adding a flower tab on the left side of the keyboard. Start by drawing a small square tab. Now inside it, draw a little tree trunk, 2 leaves, and a flower on top. Beautiful! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp with our black marker to make everything stand out. Look at our desktop computer, awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to color. Let's bring our drawing to life with rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
Cool!
Purple color.
Wow!
Pink color.
Wow!
Now use some other fun colors for the keyboard.
Cool!
Brown color for the table. Pink color for the wall behind the computer. Wow! Look at our colorful and cute desktop computer. You did an amazing job. Hi, little artists. Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super special, a cute gift box. Isn't that exciting? Yay! Grab your black marker, and let's begin. First, let's draw the box shape. Start by drawing a square. This will be the main part of our gift box. Make sure it's nice and even on all sides. Now, let's draw the lid of our box. We're going to draw a rectangle on top of the square to show the lid sitting right on the gift. Let's add some angled lines to make our gift box look extra special. Now, what's a gift without a beautiful ribbon? Let's draw a half circle on top of the lid, and then we'll add 2 paddles to make it look like a lovely bow. Now it's time to give our gift box some personality. Let's draw 2 big, cute eyes right on the square part of the box, one eye here and the other right next to it. Now, let's add a smiley mouth underneath the eyes. Look how adorable our gift box is. Isn't it the cutest? Our drawing is almost done, but let's make it look even better by outlining all the lines again. This will make our drawing pop and stand out. Look at our cute gift box. It's so adorable, it looks like it's dancing. But now it's time for the best part, coloring. We're going to use rainbow colors to make our gift box bright and colorful. Let's start with red color. Next, we'll use orange color. It's going to look so bright and happy. Now, let's add some yellow color. Here comes green color. Now let's use blue color. And finally, let's finish with purple color to make it magical.
La da 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 dee.
Wow! Look at our super cute and colorful gift box. You did such an amazing job today. I hope you had fun drawing and coloring with me. Don't forget to keep practicing and share your artwork with your friends and family. And remember to subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawing videos. Bye-bye, little artists. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.